Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the channel, your one-stop destination for smart market insights and daily trading guidance. Today is November 11th, and in this pre-market session, we'll discuss Nifty's key levels, global market cues, and what setup we can expect in the first half of the session. So grab your coffee and let's dive right in. Global market overview. Let's start with the global market sentiment. The US markets closed flat to mildly positive, with Dow Jones, US 30, up around 0.35%, showing stability ahead of key inflation data. Asian markets are looking neutral, indicating that traders in the East are waiting for further triggers. European indices performed very strong, up around 1.33%, adding positive global momentum for today's opening. USD/INR is stable around 0.09%, which means the rupee isn't adding much volatility. And crude oil is up 0.61%, showing strength but still within a comfortable zone for the Indian market. So overall, global cues are flat to positive, and that supports our Nifty outlook for today. Nifty technical setup. Now let's move to the Nifty technical chart, which you can see on the screen. Yesterday, Nifty closed near 25,574, and as per our support and resistance structure. Resistance zones, R1:25 674, R2, 25,764, R3:25 839, R4, 25,919, R5, 25,994, R6, 26,084. Support zones, S1:25 489, S2, 25,404, S3, 25,314, S4, 25,214, S5, 25,134, S6, 25,039. We can clearly see that the baseline zone is around 25,574, and price is hovering slightly above it. This means the bias is mildly bullish, but Nifty needs to hold above 25,570 to 25,600 to maintain this positive structure. If Nifty manages to sustain above R1, 25,674, we could see momentum toward R2 and R3 zones, possibly testing 25,800 Joule levels intraday. However, if we slip below S1, 25,489, the market could turn choppy or consolidate toward the 25,400 zone. Strategy or market psychology. The market sentiment today is likely to be flat to positive, as per the data and chart structure. This kind of setup often leads to slow accumulation in the first hour, followed by a directional breakout post 10:15 am. So for intraday traders, watch for a sustained breakout above R1, 25,674, for long positions. And a break below S1, 25,489, could open scalp opportunities on the short side. Remember, today's move might not be extremely volatile, so position sizing and discipline will be key. Conclusion. In summary, global cues, flat to positive. Nifty direction, flat to mildly positive. Key levels, upside target zone 25,764 to 25,839, downside support zone 25,404 to 25,314. So, stay focused around the 25,570 to 25,700 band, that's where the action will unfold. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for daily market insights. Drop your comments below. Where do you think Nifty will head today? Let's catch up in the post-market analysis later this evening and see how accurately this setup played out.